Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day ma'am. I am Najmalia Dauday di Mangadap. I will be presenting to you our second proposed topic and that is textbook-based versus multi-source learning, effectiveness in the assessment exam preparation of undergraduate accountancy student at Mindanao State University. This study focused on different learning approach used by accountancy students as they prepare for their assessment examination. Some students rely primarily on textbook-based learning because they believe it helped them stay consistent, focused, and free from confusion caused by different techniques and approaches of different sources. It can be from online platform or and textbook. Meanwhile, other students use multi approach combining textbook, reviewer, lecture note, and even video lecture in online platform to gain wider coverage and deeper understanding of the concept. This diversity in study strategy create the main problem. There's no clear evidence showing which approach from textbook-based or multi-source learning is more effective in preparing students for assessment exam. Because we all know that preparation of examination is very crucial in accountancy student for them to attain academic success. By knowing what approach is better for them to pass the summative exam, it can be through maximizing their time. We all know as well that accountancy students have a considerable or numerous amount of possible review material. Because of this, it can help the student to improve their grades and also it is an open opportunity to the future researcher. Given this issue, the study aimed to identify the study approach used by undergraduate accountancy student and second, determine the perceived effectiveness of the textbook-based learning and determine the perceived effectiveness of multi-source learning, and lastly, compare the effectiveness of both approach in exam preparation. That's why also the research question asked what study approach do students commonly use. Second, how effective the textbook-based learning, and third is how effective is multi-source learning, and lastly, is there a significant difference between the two approaches? To answer this question, the study will use both primary and secondary data. Primary data will come from survey response of undergraduate accountancy student as to secondary data naman is, of course, the previous study, related the literature, books, and an article on study habit and exam preparation. As to collection of data, the criteria included is timeliness. Of course, the data will be gathered within the semester. Preferably, the collections of data is during exam season. However, pwede naman hindi. And then, the as to accuracy through clear and structured survey, and as to cost, mainly printing and transpo, and of course as to time frame can be completed within 1 or 2 academic semester. And that's for our second proposed topic. Thank you.